Hi there. In my last video regarding Pixopedia 2014 version 041 news, I promised to give a brief explanation of new entry in brush palette, so-called CML or coupled lattice brush. It is based on coupled map lattice model, and if you are interested deeper in this field, you can read my article on the website on Paperology page. Okay, I have preset few similar brushes, and now we will see how it works. The first one, you see the settings here. The color scheme is alpha palette autumn colors and if we draw, we'll get a stroke. This stroke depends on movement of your brush or tablet pen, and it interacts with previous stroke drawn until you release your mouse button. Okay, now we will use the type of stroke depends on those settings. I will not go through it, you have it in my article. So here we go. Now we will, as you may notice, this decay probability is set to 0, so when the brush mask intensity reaches maximum, it stays on maximum. Here we can lower it down. We can adjust minimum seed intensity and a lot of factors. Here we will see if we decrease a growth probability that we have something like yellow sand. Now we will increase this decay or decrease destruction probability, so you see that while you are moving, previous it happens everything on a hidden surface. This is only rendered on the real canvas, so you see. Now we can check this reborn checkbox, so while we are moving, it will be reborn again. You can increase growth probability so you can see it better. Just move around and it will come here. Okay, we can give it more boost to this growth probability, also to decrease. So I'm moving like painting in the sand. Okay, here is another. Of course you can invert this brush, blur it, disable bumping, and get various shapes. Also you can here change creation and destruction rule to get another type brush, another shape, another type of interaction, and so on. Here is another type of brush that goes to black with different settings, so you can see it looks differently. We can remove this O-ring, X-O-ring. It's not a proper real binary X-O-ring, but anyway, boring again. can of course change color scheme and draw various types of brushes, emulating various painting techniques. Here is also another brush that you can play with. Here are the settings. There are some examples in the paper where you can see various settings. This image of this brush parameters is attached to example figure. So everything depends. A lot of parameters to play with. I will not go into deeper details, just experiment by yourself and you will get a picture. Of course you can blur it as any other invert, bump, increase bumping, and so on and so on. So just play with those parameters until you get the brush that suits your artistic needs. Thank you and bye bye.